Welcome back to the HZ English Pod. I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie. Today's episode is for anyone who uses English at work or wants to sound more professional in business situations.
That's right. We're calling this one Workplace English, from awkward to confident.
Before we dive in, a quick reminder. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you catch every episode.
All right, Sophie. Let's start with a scenario many learners find stressful. You're new at a job, and you need to introduce yourself to the team. What's your go-to approach?
Oh, this used to terrify me, but here's what works. Keep it simple. Start with, "Hi everyone, I'm Sophie. I'll be working in the marketing department. I'm really excited to be here."
Perfect. Notice what Sophie did. She stated her name, her role, and added one positive sentence. No life story needed.
Exactly. A common mistake is over-explaining. People just want the basics in those first moments.
Now, let's talk about something that happens every single day at work. Asking for help. Sophie, what's the most professional way to ask a colleague for assistance?
Great question. Never say, "I need you to help me." That sounds demanding. Instead, try, "Would you have a moment to help me with something?" Or, "Could I get your input on this?"
I love, "Could I get your input?" It sounds collaborative, not desperate.
Another good one is, "Do you have bandwidth to look at this?" Bandwidth is a trendy term that means someone has time and mental space for something.
Oh, I use that one all the time. Hey, Sophie, do you have bandwidth for a quick call later?
See? Natural workplace English. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Video calls. Liam, what are the essential phrases everyone needs for virtual meetings?
Okay, these are lifesavers. First, if your connection is bad, "Sorry, I'm having audio issues. Can you hear me now?"
And if you can't hear someone, "Sorry, you're breaking up. Could you repeat that?"
When you need to share your screen, "Let me share my screen. Can everyone see it?"
And my favorite, when you need to drop off early, "I have a hard stop at 3. I'll need to jump off then, but please continue without me."
Hard stop is such useful business jargon. It means you have an unmovable deadline or appointment.
Absolutely. Now here's something I struggled with. Disagreeing politely in meetings. You don't want to say, "That's wrong," or "I don't think so."
Right. Try these instead. "I see it a bit differently," or "That's one perspective. Another way to look at it might be..."
Or even, "I appreciate that idea, and I'd like to offer an alternative approach."
That's diplomatic. You're acknowledging their contribution before presenting yours. Very smart.
Speaking of meetings, let's talk about participating when English isn't your first language. You might feel shy, but there are easy ways to jump in.
Definitely. Try these openers. "Just to add to that," or "Building on what Sarah said."
Or if you want to change topics, "Can I shift gears for a moment?" Or, "I'd like to circle back to something mentioned earlier."
Circle back is peak office speak. It means to return to a previous topic.
Now, let's tackle written communication. Emails are a huge part of work life. Liam, what's your number one email tip?
Email subject lines. Make them specific. Don't write "question" or "hello." Write "question about Friday's deadline" or "follow-up, marketing budget approval."
Yes, a clear subject line shows professionalism and helps people prioritize their inbox.
And in the body of the email, get to the point quickly. Start with "I'm reaching out regarding" or "quick question about."
What about ending emails? I see people struggle with us.
3 safe options: best, thanks, or regards. For someone you don't know well, use best regards or kind regards.
And please never end a professional email with "cheers" unless you're actually British or Australian. It can sound weird from others.
Fair point. Okay, here's a tough situation. You made a mistake at work. How do you apologize professionally?
Don't over-apologize. Say, "I apologize for the confusion," or "I take responsibility for this oversight." Then immediately offer a solution.
Exactly. I apologize for missing the deadline. I've reprioritized my tasks and will have it to you by end of day.
By end of day, or EOD, is standard business speak for before you leave work that day.
Here's something subtle but important. Talking about your workload. If you're overwhelmed, don't say, I can't do this. Instead, say, I'm at capacity right now. Can we discuss priorities?
That's mature and professional. You're not refusing work, you're managing expectations.
What about giving updates to your boss? Any tips there?
Keep it structured. Use, I've completed X, I'm currently working on Y, and my next step is Z.
Love that. And if there's a problem, mention it early with a solution. I've hit a roadblock with the report, but I've scheduled a call with IT to resolve it.
Hit a roadblock means encountered an obstacle. Very common phrase.
All right, rapid-fire workplace phrases everyone should know. Sophie, I'll start. Let's touch base.
Means let's have a brief meeting or check-in. Let's sync up.
Same meaning. Let's get on the same page. I'll loop you in.
I'll include you in the communication or update you. Can you give me a ballpark figure?
Approximate number, not exact. Let's take this offline.
Let's discuss this privately or outside this meeting. I'll ping you.
I'll send you a quick message. Okay, last scenario. Networking or small talk at work. What's your advice?
Master these 3 questions. How is your week going? What are you working on these days? And any exciting projects coming up?
These are perfect because they're open-ended but work-appropriate. No one wants deep personal questions at the office.
And here's a pro tip. Remember the phrase, it's been crazy busy, but good things happening. This answers, how are you, positively without oversharing.
Brilliant. Before we wrap up, let's talk mindset. Sophie, what's your advice for someone nervous about using English at work?
Remember that clear communication beats perfect grammar. Your colleagues care about understanding you, not judging your accent or mistakes.
Absolutely. And if you don't understand something, it's always okay to say, could you clarify that? Or, just to confirm, you mean...
Those phrases show you're engaged and want to get it right. That's professional.
So, to recap, be clear, be polite, use these key phrases, and don't be afraid to ask questions. You've got this.
We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment telling us your biggest workplace English challenge, and we might feature it in a future episode.
Thanks for learning with us today.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident. Bye!